What is up, guys? Welcome to country number 19 of Ireland. Right now I am in Dublin, but I'm in the suburbs, so I need to get into the city. And yeah, today I'm just going to kind of show you guys around. I got here yesterday, and I didn't really do much yesterday. And tomorrow I'm going to Galway, so one thing I have to do today is pick up my train ticket while I'm in Dublin. Yeah, let's get in there and show you guys around the city. Almost to the train station now. Going to the train station of Coolmine, or at least a stop, which is an interesting name for a train station stop. See a sign there, English and Irish. Railroad crossing. So here's the station, Coolmine. At least that's how I'd say it with my American accent and American vocabulary. But you can take this into the Connolly train station, which is one of the main ones here in Dublin. Alright guys, made it to downtown Dublin. So this is Christchurch Cathedral. Very beautiful, old style type of church. And I believe the Dublin Castle is up here to the left and a couple blocks away. Very beautiful church. I love this archway that goes over the road. That's super cool, especially for an old church like this. So there's the other side of it. I could have taken a tour of it, but a lot of it's being renovated at the moment, so I decided to skip on it. Plus it costed €8, which isn't bad, but I'll just come back some other time maybe, whenever it's not under as many renovations. That is St. Patrick's Cathedral. A very beautiful church. Look at that, St. Patrick's Cathedral School Choir, founded 1432 AD. There's the Cerberus. I don't know if you can see it on there. So from my understanding, they still use St. Patrick's Cathedral, which is right there, because it said Eucharist on Sunday, and talked about the choir singing on Sundays, and then on their website it said Mass schedule. So I'm assuming they must still use it, which is pretty cool. That'd be a cool place to go to church if you're Catholic. Alright guys, it is 3:07, so I think it's time to find a restaurant. Check out this street and this one up here. I like the more traditional style brick buildings. There's St. Patrick's Cathedral. Nice, I don't know, garden. Nice streets. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go look for a restaurant. I saw a place earlier that had fish and chips, which sounded pretty good, so I might go back there. But we'll see what I end up going and what I end up finding. Oh, so this is where I was standing at earlier. Okay. So this is that landscaping that I showed earlier, and that's what that is. Check out that thing.
I've been sat in the same bar too.
But I think we'll change when we find it.
So that's where I ate at there, was Eddie Rockets. It's kind of like an American style diner, like an old type of American style diner. I wasn't gonna eat there, but they weren't very busy when I walked by, so I figured it'd make things easier for filming purposes. But it was good food, and the total bill was €25.45. So that's like $28 I think. So not cheap, but Dublin in general is not a cheap city. I also wanted to show I have 2 tickets, so I'm staying about 15 minutes away from Cool Mine, and then Connolly is the main train station, so I have a ticket for the train, a return one, and then I also have this ticket as well for the Luas, kind of like the road train, you know, that you'll see on tracks going down the road. This is a ticket for that, and this was €4 and this was €5.20. So not a terrible deal, but I mean a little bit expensive. So this is the Dublin City Council building. Alright guys, I'm kind of in a back alleyway because I just bought some postcards, which are in here. I got 4 postcards and 4 international stamps. The stamps were €10.60. Postcards are only €3, so the stamps are pretty expensive. But hey, it's what it is when you're a tourist. But anyway, I'm gonna go find a post office and mail these. Alright guys, I am back at the Cool Mine train station, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Tomorrow I'm going to Galway, and I plan on making a video there and of the train ride there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.